Bill Marshall asked, why is there a small bit of hem, kind of like a half moon hem, on the left and right sides of a kilt on the selvage edge? Shouldn't the material just lay flat? You will have to describe what he's talking about. I know
Sure.
you understand it better than I do.
Sure. Okay. So, on a kilt, on the deep pleat, on the first pleat on the kilt. So, here's my front apron. It ends right there. And then this is essentially the return on the front apron is there. And you'll see this
There it is.
semicircle kind of weirdly hemmed up right along that area. So, that weird little hem bit is done on purpose. That is so when you wear the kilt and you iron it and everything goes flat, it doesn't stick down. Zoom back in there, Adam. It doesn't stick down below the bottom of the front apron. So here's the front apron right here. Here's the bottom. This is the back side, by the way. And then there's the bottom of the little angled part. If this part right here was not that semicircle moon thing, if it didn't do that, it would be up an extra half inch or so, and then it would stick out below the bottom of the kilt.
Yeah.
So we do that on the first deep plate on the front apron, and then when warranted, like it is in this one as well, we do it on the last reverse pleat on the other side of the apron. So we do that on purpose, and all kilt makers, frankly, do that on purpose so that those deep pleats do not stick down below the bottom of the apron. So the bottom of the kilt is the bottom of the kilt. You don't have this weird little triangle sticking down and people go, what's that thing? It's there on purpose so that the front of your kilt is much more like clean, straight, flat looking at the bottom.
Yeah, flat all around.
Yeah. Mac, any thoughts outside of that as other kilt maker in room?
No, I mean, it's pretty much said what it is. I mean, I always find it interesting when people call in or email in and be like, I think your machine had an issue.
Yeah, this looks wrong.
yeah.
What happened there? Why is it like that?
So there's only maybe been like one person I think that was like, no, I don't want it there. I definitely don't want it there. And you're gonna have a little corner hangout. Like, it's
gonna look
sorry, but
Yeah.
yeah. Once most people when they hear the explanation,
It's
like, oh, that makes sense.
Yep. So you can actually unpick those stitches and lay it back down and make it flat, and then it will stick down below the bottom of the apron, and then you can sew it back up.
When you realize it looks like.
Yeah, when you realize it doesn't look good. Exactly. I hope that little explainer helped to clear up the mystery of why there's that little half moon crescent on the bottom first pleat of the kilt. If you want more hints, tips, tricks like that, and explainers like that, remember, subscribe to our channel. Thanks, guys.